Good evening everyone, welcome to my channel, and tonight we have the seance reading. Now I've cleansed the area, I've meditated on the cards, I've consulted the crystal ball. We have seen a lady with short hair coming in, and there is Mars, the planet Mars. As well, I think they had a fascination with the planet Mars or things to do with Mars. And there was also a pig's trotter as well. And they've asked me to use the animal cards. So we have hawk and we have phoenix. No, don't want them. Okay. A hawk and a phoenix. Okay. Anything else? Put them together like that. You like the wings. Apparently they like the wings. They like the dappledness on the wings. That's okay. Fine. I think they liked birds actually in general. And I've now got coming through, so that looks like the game Portal. I don't know. Is that a portal to somewhere else? Is that where you are? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is it? No. What other message do you have for us? What message do you have for us? Will you please tell us? See, knitting I've got going on now. There's definitely knitting there. There is definitely knitting. And I mean fast. I mean, yeah. That is some seriously fast knitting. No, those. Okay. Not the ones that flew on top of my hand and stayed balanced there, just to creep me out. Creepy fuckers. Okay. So, 7 of Wands. So I do like these cards. I'm just getting used to them. 8 of Cups. 7, 8. Ace of Swords. Are they all upside down? Have I been doing them upside down? Have I? You know I have. So that's me, not you wanting them upside down. Okay, so the Devil. The 7 of Pentacles. I don't know what was up and what was down with some of these either at the moment. I'm very new to this set of cards. And the 6... Yes, 6 of Wands, victory over adversity. So we 7 of Wands is the man on top of the hill. Is fight, 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 fight. You're fighting this. You're fighting this toxic energy that's going along and going around. So that's what they've been doing. Okay, you've done it past, present, future. Fine. If that's how you like it laid out, that's how you like it laid out. Like, do you know? So in the past, you've been fight, fight, fight with this toxic energy. Fine. At the moment where you are is 8 of Cups, trying to walk away from the toxicity. Okay. And 7 is working really hard. Be careful not to be a perfectionist. Nothing is ever perfect. We are but mere human beings. Ace of Swords. This is success. You are going to succeed in your endeavours. You definitely are going to succeed. And then we have then that's victory over adversity as well, isn't it? So success, victory over adversity, is the same thing. Right. There's a broken ring. Why is there a broken ring? Why is the ring broken? Seems to have gotten really thin. As I say, there's something else there that's, I don't know. I can't get it. I can't get it. It's like it's been like fuzzed out, but not like, it's like clouded out. It's like there's something there, but it's been like clouded out or misted. It's misty. I said, have you got anything else to tell me in my head? And out came those cards. So we'll see what else they've got to tell you. Okay, the Knight of Swords. Can I not? Okay, I won't then. And the King of Swords. Okay. And the Queen of that is, I've never ever had that happen before. I've had them come out in places in the reading, but never in a row like that. Never. Never happens. You have to be seriously careful over communication. Seriously, seriously careful over communication at the moment. All communication that you put out, be careful that you're putting out and being clear and concise and yeah, because if you're too short of what you're saying, then you can be misrepresented because people will add, and if you don't say enough, then you could be misrepresented. And if you say too much, then, you know, people can get it wrong. Yeah, and they're saying, do you like the birds? They really like the birds. They do have a thing for birds, obviously. Had a thing for birds. It's the birds of prey. They had a thing for the birds of prey. And I don't blame them. They are beautiful animals. They're just fantastic animals. Love them. Yeah, so what's that thing that keeps getting fuzzed out? What is it? Nope, I still can't get it. It won't let me have it. But anyway, back to these that have been creeped out on. Yeah. Because he's my grumpy communicator. She's my card of cut the crap, and especially to yourself. So yes, it is also about how you talk to yourself as well. Positive self-talk, but yeah, with all three in the row, be careful what other people are saying as well. Okay, I'm going to close this reading then, and if you enjoyed it, please do the like, shares and subscribe thing. I'm going to go and have a minute because I'm completely shocked by those three coming out together at the same time. I'm going to cleanse the area and have a little meditate, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, love, love, love.